From moving large range of materials to excavating trenches, the JCB Backhoe is a dependable machine on any site. But refueling is key. Oh look, it's lunchtime, the operator's favourite part of the day. Well, anything is on the menu with the new JCB 3CX Tastemaster. A built-in air fryer comes as standard. A delicious English breakfast ready in just 5 minutes. Time to sit back and relax whilst your backhoe does the hard work. Ooh, what a banger! A proper builder's breakfast. To order your JCB 3CX Tastemaster, contact your local dealer today. T's and C's apply. Available for a limited time only. Please cook responsibly. JCB are not liable for any cap fires, leakages, burns or injuries that may occur as a result of direct air fryer usage. Oh, smashing.